Okay, so I just left the DMV. I have a temporary driver's license in the meantime. I didn't go and take my driver's test today. I didn't take it, but they told me I have until the 26th to go in and do it. So I'm going to just come in tomorrow and do it. But let me show you guys my picture. This is going to be my ID picture. Look how cute it is. So pretty. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm just waiting for my dad. I'm going to go and just chill in this little shaded area. But anyways, being an adult is so. Oh my god, you guys. So I ended up going to the DMV yesterday and I came back today because I have to take my written and I needed time to actually study this because I'm completely terrible at testing. I'm so terrible at testing. I'm so nervous. I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh my god. I'm nervous. I'm terrified. I'm scared. Please say a prayer for me before I go and take this test, and I'll let you guys know when I turn this camera back on how I feel about it, how I did. I think they tell you then, like, right here if you pass or not. And if I don't pass today, then I have 2 more times to take it, and I have to do this before the 26th, and like I have a limited amount of time, but it's fine because even if I don't pass this one, I can still go back home, study some more, and then come back and take it, and I'm pretty sure I'll have it down at least by the second round, right? I don't know. Bro, this process was terrible the first time I did it. I don't know why they have us do it the second time. Like, why can't we just if your license expires, why can't you just go and just update the picture and then that's it? Like, why do we gotta go through this whole ass process again? I don't want to do it. Okay, I have to go now. I'm next. Well, today's a whole different day. It took me like a few days to try and study again for this test, so I'm back at a different location at a different DMV because now this is just something I heard, but the location I took the test in was like a very uppity area. Now I'm taking this test in El Monte. Now, I don't know if this is true or not, but I heard that the test taking here is easier. I don't know if it's because like the demographic of people that are here or like, you know, I don't know, but if I pass, I'll let you guys know. I do feel a little bit more prepared though, so there's that. I only missed 2 questions. I'm so proud of myself this time. It was all because of you, man. I didn't know that I could take it in twice, so I was like, might as well. My last attempt. So I'm now with TT Aries. But oh my god, we are literally 4 minutes away from TT getting her car back. Yeah. Bro,
I'm a little nervous. I'm excited, but I'm more so nervous.
I'm so excited for you, dude. I like just looking at how it would look on the picture that you showed me. Oh my god. Oh my god, but to see it in person, oh my god, I'm geeking inside. Did that sound really white?
Yeah.
I'm geeking, bro. Are you excited for her, Aries?
Of course.
You look so excited for her.
Bro,
I'm super excited.
I want to see you act excited for TT. Come on, get excited.
No.
Just go like this.
I'm gonna get excited when I see it.
Go like this. Oh! Oh my god! TT! Oh my god, bro! Have you ever seen anything more sexy in your freaking life? Oh my god! Oh my god, TT!
Okay.
Alright. Well, almost ready. Almost ready. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Boom! No, get out of the way! No.
That is hard. That is so.
You like the stripes? The stripes are pretty cool touch.
Oh my god.
I don't know if it's black.
Oh my gosh, it's like white. Close black.
I think it's reflective.
What the heck?
I'm literally so excited, bro. This ain't even our car. I'm excited. I love seeing my friends excited, and I love seeing what they're gonna get excited for, because their reaction's always the best. Honestly, I think that's why my love language is gift giving, because I love seeing people's reactions to things. But oh my god, she looks so happy. It's cool because we're gonna go and race this car in a sec too. So I'll see you guys when we're at the track field. Okay, this isn't my first time at the little streetcar racing thing that they have here, but I am so excited for TT, man. That is amazing. We are here. We are here. It is nice. It's a beautiful day. My skin looks top tier amazing. I'm so excited. Here we go. We're gonna watch these random people race. Who you guys got your money on? I'm gonna go with the car that's black. I think they might win. I don't know, because you don't ever know what's under the hood. You know, the one on the left could surprise us. Oh damn, this guy's pressing the issue. They were all crowding up right there. He's pressing them. One more time. Who y'all got your money on? Who do y'all got your money
on? Margin of victory.
Wow.
7.
Sometimes I feel like I could be a car driver, a car racer, a car driver. Oh my god, never mind. Seriously, for real. No, seriously, for real. No, seriously, for real. I swear to God, I'm a good driver. Like, I'm a great driver. Seriously, for real. I swear to God. I swear to God. I swear to God. Maybe I could be a race car driver. Maybe I could have been. Maybe that would have been my future. In a different lifetime or something. You know?
6th generation.
No, seriously, I'm a safe driver. Stop saying cat, bro. I swear to God, I am. Dog, quit doubting me. It's to see who goes the fastest. That's how they determine who wins. It doesn't even matter if the other person is going first or not. I get it now. I get how these work. No, but seriously, bro, quit doubting me. I swear to God, bro. If you needed a not a getaway driver, no, I wouldn't. I wouldn't. I wouldn't help you with the getaway thing. No, I wouldn't. I had to think about it. Yeah, no.
Luckily.
BMW or Mustang? I think it's a Mustang. What do you think? BMW or Mustang? You think so too? Yeah, I think so as well. That one looks kind of beefy. I don't know. I could be wrong. Oh, wait. I said, you can't, it's hard to determine because you don't know what's under the hood. Like, my bad. I should never doubted the BMW. My bad. That's crazy because the BMW was my first car too. Okay, I see them.
Jeep, keep coming back.
Oh my God, bro.
Stage with the front tires, not the rear.
Bro, I swear to God, when I grow up, I want to be like TT and Aries.
Mercedes here in the right lane. Challenger left lane. Looks like they both ran into the same green frog to get that paint job.
Oh my God, y'all look amazing. What do you guys got your money on?
The irony of this,
What do you think's gonna win?
designed the Challenger.
The cat.
The cat.
Where they own the
Let's see.
Chrysler. Coming up on the finish line, it is the Challenger holding on 8:52 to an 8:59.
What did you guys think was gonna win?
Oh, I thought the Mercedes was gonna win.
Yeah, he thought the Mercedes. I thought the Hellcat.
I lost $1. Sad
Dang.
day.
I bet on the Mercedes.
Over here.
We both lost.
At least we had our head in the right places, though, you know?
Look better.
Right. Dang, Aries, you really said that about your car, bro.
Slime green Mercedes here in the right lane. Going to take on the Challenger Hellcat. Deep stage for the Challenger. Mercedes moves up. He's fully staged. Challenger. Not going to catch the Mopar. 798 to an 869. Sergio going for a walk. It's the only place he can walk that's a safe neighborhood, so that's why he's doing it. If you believe that.
So, how have you been?
I got a fart.
I don't think I asked.
I got a fart.
I don't think I specifically asked you anything.
I don't got a fart no more.
Might as well have announced it. So,
Why did you just cry? What did you do?
what she?
You're so nasty.
What? Over it. What, bro? What is wrong with you?
So, have you seen Gino? How's he doing?
He's doing pretty bad. Like, he just seems like a little sad.
You think I should talk to him? He's trying to message me, but I'm trying to like.
I told him I was gonna talk to him, but I'm not gonna tell him when, like, say, like, if we have a conversation about it, I'm not gonna, like, go to him and tell him what she said.
Oh,
What
honestly, I
can
respect
do
that a
is
lot.
I will.
I can help him. I can help him in the situation only because he's my friend and so are you. So I can tell you what he, like, basically what he wants. Like the message. He wants me to relay a message, and it's your choice if you want to respond. I told him I can't force you.
I don't want you to tell me any messages. It's okay. I don't want you to be with. You don't have to do that. I know that can be irritating. In your opinion, though, like, I just want to know if you think that I should hear him out. Because he's been trying to message me. I don't know. Like, you think he's trying?
Yeah, I think he's trying.
But, bro, did you see him? He went on a date.
Didn't you just go on a date?
I mean, yeah, but I only did it because. Yeah. Anyways.
I mean, but see, that's just both just childishness. Think about it, and like y'all just trying to get back at each other and
Y'all
hurt
just need
each
to
other.
get back with each other.
Basic.
Bro, no one's even talking to you.
Alright, bro, my bad. Imagine being single.
I know. It's a sad world, honestly. Like, I know I want to be with him. He's the person I want to be with. I just want to be with a healthy him.
I'm gonna go to the gym.
Bro, I tried to tell him that. And he always wakes up sometimes and he'd be like, that his chest hurts. Be having all these body aches. And I'm like, bro, that's not normal. Like, yeah, have you ever heard him complain that his body hurts? Or like his chest be hurting or some shit? That's what I'm saying. Like, no, he has scoliosis. His back's not broke. He just has.
What is this? What the hell's going on with my watch? Pop, charge it up.
Aliens trying to gather information.
Why do you have a lunch every 30 minutes?
No, I don't.
Literally every 30 minutes he has that alarm.
Does he seem like he's doing better though?
I was like smooth.
He hasn't been smoking? Like, actually?
He said that he has an app, he's tracking it on and everything.
Wow, that's so good.
He'll be back within the next couple days.
Back to what? Back, what do you mean?
Back in the doghouse.
You literally have no faith in him.
Got zero faith.
Do you think he's gonna just start puffing them sticks again?
I just say you might well just do the marijuana. All of the day.
That's what I'm saying. We could be chilling together, bro. I'm mad I'm getting all them kills on Call of Duty and I'm like stoned.
What if he didn't like the fact that you smoke marijuana? Would you stop?
He knows why I smoke. But when we first met,
Hey,
it
bro,
was
that's not what I asked, bro.
yeah. If he asked, yeah,
He asked you to
yeah,
stop.
yeah. But when I met him, I wasn't smoking weed.
If he threw that little flash you have in your pocket,
I got 4 more at home. I'm kidding. No, but bro, literally, it's so easy to stop smoking weed. Why do you think it's so? Not that it's not difficult for Lexi and Damo, but it's easier than putting out like I'm sure like hardcore drugs. You know, like I'm sure that's really difficult to get to like stop. But
Oh, you tried it before?
you could ask any of my friends from like any smoke shops. They all met me and I wasn't smoking weed. Like I never smoked weed for a good minute. Then I would smoke weed. Then there was a point where I didn't smoke weed for like 2-3 years after that. And I just started smoking weed because I met Damo and Lexi and they introduced me to it. But it helped me to eat because I was like, bro, like I was telling Lexi, like I can't eat, bro. Like anything that I eat, I've been throwing it up and I can't keep it down. She's like, they're like, honestly, you should just try smoking weed. And on top of that, I had a hella anxiety. Like around then, when I was living at the house, I had hella anxiety. They're like, just try smoking weed. So I smoked it and I was chilling. Like all my worries, I was hungry. I could keep everything down and I was calm. I was like, oh, thank God. Like, bro.
yeah.
But yeah, I can stop. I feel bad because I know like smoking cigarettes is more addictive because of the nicotine in it. It's that nicotine rush that he's like, that I hear that's like the craving.
Yeah, that's usually how it is. But he's doing good. He
How you
stopped.
How does she know what?
Hey, you know that's normally how it is.
She's an expert. An expert.
Do my research, but he stopped. So it's your choice if you want to like reach out to him or not. I told him when I talked to you, he wouldn't know if it worked or not, or if it didn't. But I told him that you were going to text him.
I'll just wait for him to text me.
But he's afraid to text you because you've been declining everything.
It's okay. He could be a man. He can text me. He'll text me and I'll respond this time. I swear. I'll give him the benefit of the doubt since how long has it been now since he hasn't smoked? It's been like
A week?
that's still pretty good though. That's pretty good. It's a step.
Let it go. 얼어붙어 like whoa. 띵하고 어지러워. I see. 한여름에도 난 겨울. Yeah, 가요거 blood. Yeah, 너와 있을 때 I swear. 제가 먼저 zero 폭설한 그 chil대. 꿈에도 I wasn't aware. 나만 빼고 넌 모두에게 참 친절해.